Today I'm gonna go over what actually happened in the previous days. So yesterday we actually traded FOMC, which was my first time trading FOMC and ended up being a really good choice. I'm probably gonna put some footage of yesterday's trade, but I'm not gonna post it because the audio is bad and now my new mic just arrived, so I'm looking to post more content with this. So let's go over what actually happened here. Okay, on the 50-minute we were clearly bearish. It just was a trend continuation trade. We were bearish, we rated the liquidity here, broke down lower, left New York's high and 50-minute gap. Price came here, and on the 30-minute we invalidated this bullish gap. Boom, created a bearish gap, entered here, targeting this low mainly and another deviation around here. This entry was taken, I think on the 5-minute was a bit of an interesting entry. We took it on the 3-minute around here actually, and price ended up coming again and retesting that area. And then we just displaced hard on FOMC. We managed to secure 3R. Today trade was a bit weird actually, because I was watching how price respected this 4-hour FVG and rejected really hard. So I expected price to continue lower with news momentum, but I entered here around this dodgy candle. I ended up closing it because I really didn't like this equal highs, and I shouldn't have been in the trade in the first place because of this equal highs. This would have been considered risky for me. What I should have done instead is wait for this equal highs to get swept like here, and here look for a re-entry. Sadly, we didn't get that re-entry, and I ended up closing at around break even just because I realized it's a risky trade and I don't want to be in it. We ended up going pretty hard lower at around 1R, but that's completely okay. I still consider it a risky trade, so I shouldn't have been in it in the first place. So taking a 0.5 loss, even though now we can actually go into RTP, I don't really care. I shouldn't be in this trade because of this equal highs, because it makes too much of a risky entry. So you can see we're anticipating a New York reversal. The exact same thing happened here. Asia and London retraced towards the PDRA. But here what is important, what didn't happen is we didn't grab London highs. Here we did grab London highs, so that's why for me London highs were really vulnerable and had a high chance of price going to take that London high and this making a better trade. The best area was of course a 0.5 of the fib. If we actually see, we draw fib on this range, we see this FVG which I was initially watching is in 0.5 of the range. So entering before that 0.5, that equilibrium pricing gets reached, is really troll. It's a bad decision. You don't want to short or long before price reaches equilibrium prices. So that's why this trade would have been maximum a 0.5. So that's essentially what I lost today. And I said to myself, I'm not going to trade 0.5 setups because they're too low risk and they're not worth taking. Here for me, it would have been an easy 1%. Also, I was watching gold today. We were clearly bearish and we had this 50-minute FVG, and I wanted to see how price reacts on this level, but we instantly broke lower, formed a 5-minute gap here and just displaced hard as fuck lower. The reason I didn't take this entry is that timing was really bad here. When price started leaving, it was the open of lunchtime. So it was actually really bad timing. As soon as lunchtime opened, we started moving lower. Reversals on lunchtime very rarely actually happen. So I was waiting for around 2 more hours and we can actually get even that London high sweep, and that would have been a way better entry for me. This timing was really off on the trade, so that's why I didn't take it. It seemed risky for me to trade like this, but it would have been a pretty nice trade overall. So today we missed gold, we didn't take gold, we took a 0.5 on DAX, and that's about it. On the account we are on 5.5%, which is a really good percentage for me. So yesterday we made around 1.5k, which is 3%, and then we lost a 0.5 today on DAX. This is how the equity curve is looking. We're still kind of stuck between 3 and 5%, but yesterday we were at 6%. So in theory we broke above that consolidation area, so we might be finally passing the challenge. We'll see what tomorrow actually offers. What is cool, I have this now, so I can switch between scenes This will be my first monitor, this will be my third, and this will be webcam when I actually want to talk and you guys to see me fully. And I'm really hyped to doing more live trading. I want to do live trading and record and just make the best videos I can. I forgot to update you, but I'm starting to build the Discord server, which is gonna be the main community for us traders, for us people that want to get better. We're gonna have here, but when I click invite and I click copy here and I try and paste it, it just gives me this text. See, if you guys know how to fix this, how I can actually get the link when I hit this invite, please tell me in the comments, because I don't know. I'm gonna have big plans with this. We're gonna have a trade tracker, so I want you guys to be able to see my profile. So see like a profile, see me here with my name and my avatar, the numbers of wins and losses I have, set the win rate here. And for you, if you click on this, for you to get access to my actual Notion journal, I'm curious if I can integrate the Notion journal within Discord so you can see exactly what those wins were and exactly what those losses were, so you can access them. So let's say we had a win, and here for the trade you're gonna have pictures, you're gonna have my thought process behind it, you're gonna have what I did wrong, my mistakes, how can I improve, what I did good, and so on. Basically just my journal, because I think this journal will help traders more than me just giving you the trades to take. So this can actually help you a lot, seeing how a profitable trader thinks, how he analyzes his trades, what's his thought process behind those trades, and so on. So behind the live trading which you're gonna have on the YouTube, you're also gonna have access to my journal and my realistic exact stats. So I'm not gonna fake anything. You're gonna see my wins and my losses, exactly all of them, and my win rate, and also maybe my gain. We're gonna have a channel where I'm gonna post my pre-market. I'm just gonna give you the area of price that I'm watching. I said, okay, I'm watching this, okay, we're managing this trade, I'm doing this, and so on. I'm not planning on giving you my exact trades. I actually prioritize on you learning how to trade like me, on you learning to build your own strategy and trade it. I'm not planning on giving you my exact trades. So I'm gonna give you, for example, my area, and from here maybe you can figure it out and you can learn how to take those sells. So our main thing is gonna be that tracker, because that's gonna be really nice to have for a beginner trader like you. It's gonna be really nice to have something like that in your, okay, my clothes are, you just ignore the clothes. When you want to get more data, understand more what's going on inside the profitable trader's head. As for now, obviously this Discord is gonna be free. I don't plan on charging anything for it, at least for now. Maybe later, but again, I'm not doing this for money. I'm doing this to prioritize you learning and you getting better and you having access to information that traders don't give out there. You're not gonna see many traders that actually post full transparency, all their wins and all their losses, and maybe my equity curve and something like that. And besides that, you can actually access my journal. You can see what is my thought process, what did I do wrong, what did I do good. You can leave comments, so if you're confused about something, you can actually ask there and I can answer to you to prioritize you growing. So I don't see anyone having a Discord like that, but I'm gonna be probably the one implementing this, because it's gonna be real transparency, and in my opinion a lot of traders will actually find this useful. So we'll have this, we're gonna have the pre-market analysis, which I'm gonna give the areas or what setups I'm looking for the day, and we're gonna have the live trading where you can see exactly how I trade live, and then you can access the journal. So you're gonna have a really nice cycle of improvement. You're gonna have everything you need to know how to learn trading, because you can go learn concepts everywhere on YouTube, but you can really learn how a profitable trader thinks, or how he journals, he trades, or things like that are a bit more intimate and people are not really sharing it because it's like personal information. So I'm gonna share it because I think it's gonna be helpful for a lot of you. So that's what we're probably gonna do next. Probably building the Discord server and just continue on trading, making some videos, and yeah. As for now, I think Discord is fine. Yeah. So that's why I plan on doing that tracking thing next. But I don't know if it's gonna be hard. It's probably gonna be slightly hard because it's not easy. I have to link Discord with Notion somehow so you can access and also leave comments. Yeah, we'll see. But I just wanted to let this out there so you know that I'm working on a Discord server. So if you're looking for a really nice community, you can join this. Because I want this community to be different. I don't want to be like every classic VIP like part of trading where the trader only talks and all his members are on mute and the members can't ask questions, can't ask nothing because they're all just on mute and the guy's just going on with his life. What I want to do is have like a friend, like a really deep connection community so we can actually all talk. You guys can actually all of you guys can actually get to talk to me even if I'm a trader and you're supposed to learn now, bro. I'm really focused on making you learn and answering your questions and talking about stuff, laughing, hanging around, just chilling and stuff like that. I want us to be friends. I don't want you to be my clients. I want you to be my friends, you know. I prioritize having a good connection between us instead of me just providing value for money. I'm not really trying to do it for money. I'm trying to do it for building an empire of people that actually get along well, and we're on this part of the transparent part of trading because transparent is really rare nowadays. You don't see people that transparent, especially in trading. Most of the trading influencers are hiding their actual results. So I want to provide the exact opposite. I want you to have everything about my trading, me getting money on the markets, my win rate, my everything full on, nothing hid, bro, nothing hid. You're gonna have every information you need to know and see that I'm actually authentic. I'm not lying about my trading and so on. So you'll have no doubt in your head that I'm a profitable trader. That's gonna be my plan, and also building a really nice friendship in this community. I want us to hang around, chill, learn, and motivate each other. I don't want this to be a relationship like me being the boss and you being my clients. I don't want it to be like that. I want us to be friends, talk like equals. We're all equals at the end of the day. So that's just the plans of the future. So I just wanted to let you know that a good community. I really have big plans for this community, and I think a lot of people are gonna find this community really nice and really different and unique and genuine. It's gonna be a genuine community. It's not gonna be one made for money. It's gonna be for growth and for friendship. So yeah, that's about it. So I really hope tomorrow we're gonna have some trading because I wanna record, obviously. So we'll see.